The VRCs in the publishing category relate to what you provide for your app's product detail page. We evaluate these details as a part of app review. Many apps fail Publishing.1, which requires you to provide a valid URL to your app's website. Here's what you need to do to pass this VRC. First things first, the URL you provide must link to a live website. Apps often fail Publishing.1 because the site throws an error. Consider setting up a monitoring tool that regularly checks the status of your page and alerts you if it goes down. Second, your website must be secure. Apps often fail this VRC because users are alerted that the URL may not be safe or private. Before you submit, make sure your website is protected with a valid SSL certificate. Third, keep in mind that valid doesn't just mean live or secure. The majority of apps fail this VRC because the URL is hosted by a third party like Discord. Provide a link to a functional website URL that is publicly accessible and clearly applies to your organization and this specific app. Fourth and finally, make sure the content on the page adheres to Meta's content guidelines. If you haven't already, review the content guidelines to verify your website is compliant. Providing the URL for your app is a quick and simple step, so it may be easy to overlook this VRC. Taking time to ensure the link meets these requirements before you submit will help you clear the review process faster.